What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without Watermark. To do that, you just have to go to your TikTok app, then select a video you want to download. Next, click the share button at the bottom left, and then click copy link. After that, minimize the app and go to Telegram. Download this app if you don't have one. In here, click the search icon and type at downloader/TikTok/bot and click the first one that will appear. Here, click the start button and then paste the link that you just copied. After that, click the video and wait for the video to reload. Next, click the three dots located at the top and click Save to Gallery. And that's how easy you can save your TikTok video without Watermark. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.